Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the Govee Floor Lamp 2 to warm colors. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Govee Floor Lamp 2 and are wondering how to go ahead and set it up with warm colors. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app, then click onto your floor lamp 2. Then on this page here, there's multiple ways you can set warm colors. The way that I like to do it is that I like to set it to color, and then for the color temperature, I like to move it all the way to the left. As far as brightness goes, I like to set mine to 20%, but that's due to preference. Now, keep in mind that everyone has their own preference as far as how warm they want their light to be. So additionally, if you click on illumination on the middle of the screen, there's actually different color temperature scenes that Govee tends to offer. So if you click on relax, you can see that the brightness has been set to 50% with a slightly warm temperature. If you click on reading, the temperature is lower and the brightness is lower. Then you have illumination and then you have work. So go ahead and play around as far as how to set warm colors on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.